Ja. Sollen wir dann das einmal spielen?
Ja, das kannst du auch zum
Mhm.
Wenn du es prüfst, kannst du noch berechnen spielen.
Ja. Vielleicht noch beim Cooking schauen, beim Show-Cooking. Kann ich das Sela, Schätzchen? Nein, ich nehme nicht mit. Wenn du da bist, dann kann ich doch Sela. Dessert, just different desserts. There's an ice cream, or you can also choose. Vegetables. Green leaf vegetables, beans. I like this one, guys. That's why I love to eat this one. Teriyaki. Sesame. There's show cooking. Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo está? Yes, verbo Filipinas. Good, Manny Pacquiao. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, nice to meet you too. Yes. You're also in my blog. Yeah, wala. Yeah, wala Manny Pacquiao, eh? Yes. Hello, Manny Pacquiao. I love you. From Spain, yeah. Good. Hola. Amigo. ¿O no? Muy bien, gracias. Sí.
Enjoy your sausage.
Thank you. I'm so glad I got a day off tomorrow.
Yeah.
You have a lot of customers. I saw you this morning, but I don't. I thought that was the other person. This. Yeah, the morning. So, mucho.
I want to go to Filipinas
Yes, you're very much welcome.
in my holiday.
Ah, when will you go there in the Filipinas? To visit from Manny Pacquiao. To meet Manny Pacquiao. Okay.
Photo with him.
With him? Okay, we will invite him to come to Spain. Eh?
My dream.
Ah, okay. You're very much welcome.
I love the boxing.
Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao, Floyd Mayweather.
Yes. Yeah. I was showed that to Manny Pacquiao.
I like this.
Yes. You're Manny Pacquiao, your fan from Spain.
Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah.
And my father loves Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, really? Oh. I will tell my colleagues. Eh? Yeah. Yes. Muy bien. Hello, Filipina. What? Yeah, you're in my blog. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Filipina. Hello. This is live Manila. Oh yes, Manila.
The sheep.
Yes, the ship in Manila. Filipinas.
It's okay. Not too much. Thank you.
Amigo. No, only the small one. Not this one.
This one?
Yes.
Now,
Finish. Salamat, amigo. Thank you. Kabrivici. Salud. Bye-bye. Salud. Mamis, salamat. Thank you. Grazie. Loto? Ah, ich muss noch mein Ding noch holen.
Okay, fertig.
Hä?